back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how I get my hair to be this curly, wavy kind of concoction that's going on. This is like my everyday curl when I do my hair and I want to do something quick and I don't want to put a lot of effort into it. This is the hair that I usually do. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this going, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint. And I'm actually going to be filming another video after this, and keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my hair. I washed it yesterday and I let it air dry. This is how it dries. I know it's crazy because I have a lot of damage in my hair, obviously, from the coloring that I just did and the bleaching. But this is how it usually dries. To create this look, you're going to need some water bottle, a wet brush, and some type of mousse. I'm using the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 styling mousse. It says argan oil and baobab, and it says it's for all hair types. I really like this formula, so yes. It says it adds fullness, reduces frizz, moisturizes, softens, volumizes, light hold, adds shine, smooths, nourishes, and maintains style. So that's the 10-in-1. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it because to create this curly hair, I have to have wet hair because my hair, as you can see, is very damaged right now. So I have to try to wet my hair. My hair is naturally like wavy and I make it more curly. As of right now, like I said, my hair is super damaged. So, see that? The only reason why I have the wet brush is because I want to comb out any knots I might have. I know we're going to go curly, but I want to make sure that my hair is damp enough. So that's why I'm also using my brush. As you can see, my frizziness is coming through. Sorry about the mess behind me. We're still trying to work out the kinks in this room. I have a lot of unpacking to do, which I'm waiting on my husband to do because he's got a whole living room full of stuff that he's got to unpack and he's got to go through. I'm hoping that he does it soon. He's taking his time, but I feel like, you know, we have the opportunity now. Might as well do it now before, you know, he has to go back to work full time. Right now he's just working 2 days a week, which sucks. It's easier to do this when you're right out of the shower. I just was really lazy and didn't want to film this yesterday, so that's why I'm wetting my hair with the water bottle. So if you want to achieve this look with your dry hair, that's why you need a water bottle, because you do have to wet your hair or at least make it damp. To the dampness that you like. Sorry about the lighting situation. I'll be getting that under control soon. Okay. I think I need to do just a little bit more on this side. Bottom. My ends are super toasted. Like, super toasted. So I will be getting those trimmed soon. Once all this epidemic craziness passes. I gotta find a new barber for the kids, or a new salon for me. I gotta find a new nail salon. It's crazy. Okay, so I think that we're as wet as we're gonna get with this hair. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with a mousse. I know this video is like all over the place. After using the mousse, we're gonna use a hairspray. I've been using the Garnier Fructis Full Control hairspray. This is the bounce back hold because I don't like it to be like crunchy, crazy, weird. So I've been using that. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. I'm gonna take this. I always shake my mousse up. I don't know why, but I always do. I guess to move the product around. And I take, because I have very thick hair, I take a good amount. And I start working it from the top all the way to the bottom. And I do this quite a few times because, like I said, I have really, really thick hair. Thick, dry, coarse, crazy hair. And I haven't done curly hair in a minute because I've been just wearing a mommy bun because that's my go-to look. My go-to look is a mom bun. You want to make sure that you evenly distribute it through your hair because you want to make sure that every piece of your hair is going to have some of that mousse. So I run my hands through it. And like I said, I do go in quite a few times with mousse. I know it looks excessive, but like I tell you, I have a lot of hair. My hair is super duper thick. It may not look it right now, but it is. I can feel it. Every time I go to my hairdresser, she's like, "Oh my God, girl, you and your thick hair." I'm like, "Yes, I know." And then I run a brush through it just to make sure, like I tell you, that everything has been distributed. All the mousse is throughout the hair. Okay. And then what I do is I usually flip my hair forward and then crunch and spray my hair. So I'm going to do it this way. First I'm going to go on top because I do have that little bang. Okay, and then what I do is this. Move forward. And I just kind of start to crunch my hair. Like this. And then we go and we spray. And then I just crunch. And then I flip. I do the back side. My husband tells me this is when I kill him. He hates the smell of hairspray. So I hardly do it. Because I have such coarse, frizzy hair, I have to use a lot of hairspray. And then go ahead and I let it air dry. And I'll show you guys once it air dries. You can use a blow dryer. I don't have one. So we're gonna let this air dry. Then I'll show you the end result once it's dry. Okay, I'm back and it's been quite a few hours. It's probably been about 4 hours. This is how my hair dried. So this is my everyday curly hair kind of do. If I want to do something to it, I usually just kind of put it half up, half down, which I'll show you. I'll just use one of these clips. I don't know how it's gonna work now because I have those little bangs, so I have to be very careful. Usually I will wear it like this, and I usually keep my hair like this for about 3 to 4 days. By the 4th day, it starts to get like dingy, frizzy, and weird, and I usually add a little bit more water. I'll add a little bit more hair oil to kind of bring life back to the curls. But yeah, this is basically it. I usually scrunch as I'm drying throughout the day. I scrunch my hair up just like this to kind of give it more of a curl. As you can see, these are where most of the bleach is, so my hair and my curl has kind of gone down. But usually when I curl it, it usually curls like this, like a wavy curl, because I crunch it up like that. But yeah, that completes this video. So if you guys enjoyed watching this quick curly hair tutorial, then please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified when I upload videos, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. I figured I might as well throw a hair tutorial in there. Haven't done my hair in God knows how long. And I figured something quick. You're staying at home, you can definitely do this, being that we're really not going out anywhere. If you want to feel like you're doing your hair, this is a quick kind of hairdo to do to be at home. I love to do this because I do it like this, and then like on the 2nd or 3rd day I'll lift it up and I'll do like a really messy bun. So yeah, if you guys want to see that quickie tutorial, then go ahead and comment down below and I will do a tutorial on how I do a messy curly bun, I guess. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.